Harper and Ellis Austin is being promoted as a boutique-style clothing brand with local, lifestyle-driven identity. But the real question is whether it's actually a legit brand or just another questionable online store using convincing name. The store typically presents itself with clean branding, trendy clothing, and a name that suggests a real-world boutique, often tied to a city like Austin to build trust and authenticity. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Many legitimate fashion brands use location-based names and minimalist branding to position themselves as premium or boutique labels. However, here's the key issue. Independent analysis of the website linked to this brand shows a low trust score of around 30 out of 100, with multiple risk flags, including suspicious activity signals and weak credibility indicators. There are also common red flags associated with stores like this. These include hidden ownership details, limited verifiable company information, and a lack of strong independent customer reviews. All signs of low transparency. Another concern is the branding itself. There's no clear evidence that Harper and Ellis Austin exists as a real physical boutique or established brand in Austin, which suggests a location-based identity may just be part of the marketing. User feedback is also very limited or unclear, making it difficult to confirm product quality, shipping reliability, or customer support, something you'd normally expect from a trustworthy clothing brand. It's also important to understand that many stores like this follow a familiar pattern: aesthetic branding, emotional storytelling, and heavy discounts, often backed by generic suppliers rather than a real fashion label. So, is Harper and Ellis Austin real or fake? It's likely a real website that sells products, but it shows several warning signs of being unreliable rather than a well-established brand. The bottom line is that Harper and Ellis Austin appears to be a high-risk online clothing store with questionable credibility and an unverified backstory. So it's best to approach with caution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.